How are you? Today we learn one of the most important things of object-oriented programming structure is function overloading. Function overloading. In previous lessons, we learned what is function overriding. That time this is the runtime polymorphism, and now we learn compile time polymorphism. Okay, let's start. Function overloading. Function overloading means we create same name, same type of functions, but their load are different. It's called function overloading, and it is the one of the most powerful concept in object-oriented programming structure. Okay, normally we not create same name function in same locations, but now we create same name functions in object-oriented programming structure, but their loads are different. Okay, let's start with an example. Suppose class function overloading FO. Okay, I create here a function public void, suppose sum. Now two parameter passing, integer a and integer b, both are local variable. Okay, now system dot out dot print ln, create here sum, int sum. So it is int sum plus, use special attention a plus b because I want to sum them. Okay, just create a function, method function sum, and we pass two parameters a and b, and we calculate. This is the integer sum, so I write here integer sum and display it. Okay, now create another class. Suppose you see it is project 7. Now we use public static void main string args. Okay, now in main functions we create the object of this FO, function overloading. So right here FO, F, the name of the object is F, small f, and the class name is FO. The FO, we create a object of this class. FO F is equal to new FO. Okay, now f dot sum, passing to value 12.5. Okay, now save this file in location P7. Okay, E drive mg java P7. The file name is same name where the void main is present, that means the prj7. So right here the file name prj7 and extension of this file java java. Save. Okay, now I compile it. We already present in DOS position mg java P7. Now compile java c project 7 dot java. Okay, no error, no issue. Now interpret this and run this program, java prj7. Okay, now integer sum is 17. Okay, now suppose this is not 12, this is 12, this is 12.5, and not 5, this is 5.5. suppose that means before we displayed 12.5 and 5.5, we saw that 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Now it's become 18. 12.5 and 5.5 means 18. Let's see what's happened. Now compile it. There is some error because it's no only the integer value, but it is double value. Suppose here you look here, from double to int, so some error and lossy. But when we convert bigger to smaller, so this is double, but here we display it is int, so the double value when in int, that time they lost their data. So this is an error. In Java, narrowing conversion, it's called narrowing conversion. Okay, now how to overcome this? I create another function, copy, just paste here, here I write here double, change the data type double A, double B. Okay, now this is int sum, not this is, now use double sum. Okay, look here, the same name, both functions names are same. Here is the name is sum and here is the name is sum, but their load are different. Here integer and here is double. Let's see what happened. Okay, no issue, just run this program. Okay, 18. So here is the error. Now we convert it into the data type from integer to double, and that time the result is 18. Okay, it's called function overloading. So if I write here f dot sum 5 7, that time call here the integer. So when we compile it, that time these functions call 5 7 call the integer, and 12.5, when we write here 12.5 and 5.5, that time this function call this function. Okay, it's called function overloading. Now we create another function f sum, suppose right here character microprocessor M P. Let's see what happened here. No issue. Okay, but the sum is 157. Where here you use the integer value. Why use it is integer value? Because M convert it in ASCII value and P convert it in ASCII value, and then these two integer value are added. So if I want to print M P, that means as a character, that time we create another method function. Okay, now this data type is not double, this is char, this is char. Okay, now not it, this is character char sum, and special attention not required. Okay, let's see what happened here. no issue. I just CLS. Now run this. See, integer sum, it's called integer type of sum method function. This is double sum and this is character sum. Though all the functions name are same, sum, but data type difference. Their data type difference. That means what is the definition of function overloading? The same name of functions are present with their different load. It is the most powerful characteristics of object oriented programming structure. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Next class I discuss about some shape. Okay, bye, good night.